Hello, I will demonstrate in this video how to unlock your Ford radio. In this case, we are in a Ford Focus 2009. The model of the radio is Ford Travel Pilot NX Blaupunkt navigation, but you can use this method for a variety of other models as well. First, we'll have to take out the radio. Then we'll have to locate the radio serial number and then generate our code with radiocodegenerator.com. What do you need for this are two tools. First is a trim tool like this or something similar and a flat screwdriver. Let's start with the trim tool by removing the exterior plastic part that surrounds the radio, starting from here. Be careful not to scratch the other elements of the radio. It's a very easy process. Now the radio is held in place by 4 screws. Let's remove them. After removing the screws, you just have to pull out the radio. This unit has a single label. It's on the top, and the radio serial number starts with C7E. Now let's use that serial number to generate our code on radiocodegenerator.com. Now let's enter our code.